There was a time when everything felt still, not peaceful, just paused. A quiet kind of emptiness that settled into the corners of everyday life, not noticed at first, then impossible to ignore. Nothing was broken, nothing was missing, and yet something felt unfinished. Days passed in routine, each one blending into the next. The same light, the same walls, the same silence. It wasn't loud or dramatic, it was subtle, like a space waiting to be seen differently. And then, almost without realizing it, something shifted. Not all at once, just small changes, thoughtful ones. A texture here, a touch there, a decision to bring life where there had only been stillness. It began to breathe again. Light started to feel warmer. Air felt softer, carrying a quiet sense of movement. Even time itself seemed to slow down just enough to notice the details that had always been there, waiting. There's something powerful about transformation. Not the kind that demands attention, but the kind that unfolds gently. The kind that doesn't erase what was, but builds on it, honors it. Because the truth is, nothing extraordinary was added, only intention. Care replaced indifference, presence replaced routine, and suddenly, what once felt ordinary began to feel meaningful. It became a place to pause, not because you had to, but because you wanted to. A place where the outside world softened and everything unnecessary faded into the background. Moments stretched a little longer, breaths felt a little deeper, and for the first time in a while, everything felt enough. Not perfect, not extravagant, just real. It's strange how something so simple can change the way you feel so completely. How a space can mirror something deeper, something internal. A quiet reminder that beauty isn't always found in more, but in better. In thoughtful choices, in patience, in the willingness to see potential where others see nothing. And maybe that's what this was never really about. Not just change, but awakening. Not just transformation, but rediscovery. Because sometimes the most powerful shifts don't come from starting over, they come from seeing what's already there in a completely new way. And in that moment, without any noise or announcement, everything becomes exactly what it was always meant to be.